Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog, and today we are going to learn about steganography on Windows 10. In my before lecture, I just telling you on Kali Linux and on another stagno tool like stag height. Today we are going to learn on steganography in Windows 10. So here are the steps that mentioned on my screen. We will use WinRAR software and we will make a iterate echo bash scripting file basically. After that, we will create a folder of a stack and create a batch file. We will download a image that should be a flower image or any other object image and add to the .rar extension. We will go to the option of SFX that will be present on Windows WinRAR software. So let's move to the our project. What basically we will do in this steganography on Windows 10. I take here a flower.jpg file and I make a name.bat file. The code I shared on my screen. It's just a script. It just display hi Mr. Jack on the command prompt, and I select both files. I select password option here and I confirm the password and I hit enter. After that I will go to the create SFX archive option and SFX option, or we can go to the setup and here we can add the file name. What basically our file name is flower.jpg and another file is .bat extension. We will add both file here, and after that when we adding this file we can check other options, and that should be a mode option. Do that hide all, go to the advanced option, check some other, and you can also add here icon. Go to the icon and browse it, and you can okay, let us select the pdf.ico. You can download from any website icons from any website, so you can add the icon also and just click on ok, and also you can just hit enter and select on okay. So it's up to you that you have to change the file name in provided steps. After that the file have been created. You have created a pdf.exe file, and here you can refresh it. After that you have to see on my screen you make it pdf.exe file. Okay, let's execute this file. What this file can perform action, it take a password that I will be I provided at the time of when I hide the information in my flower file. Basically I just had enter, and here boom you can see that you can hide data inside of a flower image. So in front you have to see a flower image, and in the back side you are seeing my code that I made in .bat file. So that's all basically. You can hide any file, any PDF file and any Word file by using these steps. It's up to you. And this is a steganography on Windows 10 that should be very easy, and it will be helpful to you. If you found this video is helpful, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon or stay up to date on my videos. So that's all for today. Take care all of you guys. Thanks.